Dito na.
Paunahan natin to.
Unahin muna, papaunahin. Unahin natin muna si ma'am. Ma'am,
Thank you.
welcome.
Hindi kasabay kami.
Where you from?
Switzerland.
Switzerland.
Wow. Okay.
Layo.
Malapit siya, nakabutid lang.
You come from Luzon?
Yes.
Already nearby town.
Oh, okay.
You're in Laguna.
Yeah.
Calamba City.
Calamba?
Yeah. Have you been there?
I passed through it.
Yeah.
This your what number of mountains?
Pardon?
Number of mountains. Fine.
Here in the Philippines, I have only 3.
Yeah, then
But not all the top because it was not possible.
Have you haven't been in Benguet or
No,
Baguio Park?
no.
The coolest mountain over there.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Try Mount Pulag or Mount Pulag.
Mount Pulag. Tayo speak in Luzon.
You been up there?
Yeah. In Mount Pulag. Nearby Mount Pulag.
But Mount Pulag, not yet. Maybe next year.
We're planning.
We don't have enough money. Yeah.
It's so sick.